take negative and positive, you're not here. You are going to be in touch with me. One more time, gang. We can get this for Roman, okay? Count of 3. You're going to be quiet. You're going to listen to our family. We care about you. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Gang, I am strong. On this side, count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
I am strong.
Northbound platform, please, for Robin here, turning negative into positive. Gang, count 3. 1, 2, 3.
I am strong.
You're okay. Okay? You're okay. Let's give a standing ovation, guys.
First question, what is your relation with Malta? Have you ever lived here? I was born in Malta in 1962. My parents left to Canada in 1964. I did an interview in Malta May 2017. I did another interview on PPS on May 9th, 2018. Where did it all start? In Toronto. Was it a spontaneous act or were you trained? In my 25 years with TTC, I've stopped 6 lives. I didn't go to school for this. It's just a gift that I have. Question number 4. Have you managed to settle the situation and get the crowd to help in within a couple minutes? Where did you learn this? That event took place, it was a half hour, not 3 minutes, it was a half hour. I learned it all on my own. It's just a gift that I have for people. Very, very gifted mind. So I did a story in Malta in 2017 in Malta, and then I did a story in 2018 May 9th. Next question, what is your message, people who live in darkness, and do you believe other people who are talented but are spoiled their ability and they don't care? Being darkness is sad because it's depression. People with a talent really don't care. That's an interesting one. Okay, so we're going to go on to the next one. Do you think anyone can help these kind of people? And what I did that day, April 26th, it takes a very, very special talent. It's called intermittent fasting. I've been dealing with people for 25 years, and anytime there's a suicide in my workplace environment, my staff actually start yelling and screaming. So there's really no training for this. It's just my gift. Do you think anyone can help these kind of people? Yeah, there's people out there who help people with suicide. For my tips, really, you just got to stay calm and stay focused and get your life together, because when you're having a lot of stress in your life, you know how to deal with people, then you're not a good example. So finally, do I have any projects in mind to get more people aware about how small acts can save lives, and how do they feel about knowing something like people are still alive thanks to you? It's all, again, your mindset. Suicide is a very, very touchy thing. It's a taboo. And I'm taking the word stigma out of mental health. And do these people stay in contact with me? No, because these people are homeless and at times they're hard to find. One last question. You get involved in these situations more than once. Yeah, 6, 7 times maybe. How do you feel in the moment? Very relaxed, very focused, very calm. Do I feel very successful in helping a person? No. It's never happened to me. It's always been very positive. It's 95% a very positive story. So no, I'm very calm. I'm very relaxed. I do a lot of yoga. I do meditation. I work out. I eat healthy. That's what it's all about. No, I'm always very calm. Like I said, my name, John Paul Attard, is the biggest name ever in TTC history, 100 years. But thank you. Very calm. Very calm. We are live and raw. John Paul Attard, the CEO of the Rock Army. Creative, excellent outcome. I'm going to tell you something right now. Mental illness affects 1 out of 3 people. I've got to tell you right now, there's a very good personal friend of mine I've known for years. His name is Paul. He's going to give you a rundown what he thinks of our friendship. Paul, take over, brother.
All right. Well, I've known JP since my daughter was released from the hospital, and he has done nothing but help me, help other people, be generous, kind, caring, compassionate. He's honest, and he is a mentor, and he is a selfless person with the biggest soul heart that I've met on the face of the earth. And I have nothing but admiration and total respect and love for this strong man right here, who has done things for everyone. He helps everyone that he meets. He has helped me since I've had my daughter. He has helped many people I've seen here, and I just cannot even, I could go on for an hour explaining to you and telling you how many encounters I would see him every day going to my doctors, going to here and there, and he would, how are you? We would shoot the shit for hours, sometimes 20 minutes, and I have nothing bad to say about you, brother.
Do you think when I met you, you were living kind of a rough life?
I was.
Do you think now that you look so amazing, like you're ready for the runway?
I was on methadone when I met him. I'm off. I have a daughter. I take care of her, and I owe a lot of that to. I do owe a lot of that to you. I really do, because I would come every day and you look rough, and I know I got to get off this crap. And I did, and I can honestly tell you, if it was not for JP, I would still be on methadone.
And here's just one of the stories that I've done, helping people out for the last 24 years. On behalf of me and my buddy Stefan, do me a favor, go into Facebook, go into Rock Army, join the group, share this video, one body, one life. Love you all, people. Thanks.